Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Clearscope for content optimization, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Clearscope for content optimization, start by visiting the Clearscope website. Locate the Get Started button in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the button to be directed to the sign up page. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. After filling in your information, click the Sign Up button to create your account. Check your email for a verification link from Clearscope. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Clearscope login page. Enter your email and password to log into your account. After logging in, you may be prompted to set up your payment information. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your payment details. Once your payment is processed, you will be taken to the Clearscope dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features and layout. To create a new content brief, click on the New Brief button. Enter the topic or keyword you want to optimize for in the provided field. Click on the Generate Brief button to generate your content brief. Review the keywords and insights provided to enhance your content strategy. For further optimization, use the Clearscope tool while drafting your content. Access the Clearscope extension for real-time suggestions as you type. Continue refining your content using the tool until you achieve an optimal score. Once satisfied with your content, save or export it for publication. Now you are ready to use Clearscope for effective content optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.